Hello, everyone, and welcome to a professional DevOps learning channel with DevOps engineer Luis. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to install Maven on MobaXTerm on a Red Hat 9 server. How to install Maven on MobaXTerm on a Red Hat 9 server? What you're first going to do is you're going to search up aws.amazon.com. You're going to click on Create AWS Account or Sign In. Enter your email in the root user email address and the account name in the AWS account name. Click on Verify Address. Copy the code sent to your email and verify your email. Create a password. Enter your private details. Then click on Search and search EC2. Click on EC2. Scroll down until you can see Launch Instance. Click on Launch Instance. Name your instance, then scroll down. Click on Red Hat, then scroll down. Under instance type, click on T2 medium, no longer micro. Under key pair, click on create a new key pair. Name your key pair, then click on create key pair. Under network settings, under firewall security groups, click on create security group. Click on Allow HTTPS traffic from the internet. Click on Allow HTTP traffic from the internet. Click on Launch Instance. Once you see the success, click on the instance ID. The instance state shows whether it's running or not. Click on the checkbox to see the public IP address. Open MobaXTerm. Click on Sessions. Click on SSH. Paste the public IP in the remote host. Click on Specify Username. Enter your username, preferably EC2-user. Click on Advanced SSH Settings. And click on the document icon and select your private key. Click on Accept. Type sudo hostname set-hostname Maven. Type sudo su-ec2-user. Now you're going to type cd into opt directory. Type sudo yum install wget nano tree unzip git-all-y. Then you're gonna type sudo yum install java-11-openjdk-devel-y. Then you're gonna type java-version to check the version to see if you correctly installed it. And then you're gonna type git-version. Next up, you're going to search up this link, which I'll paste in the description down below. Right-click the link beside the text binary zip archive. Click on Copy Link. Type sudo wget, then paste the link. Then once you've wget it, once you've gotten it from the internet, you're going to do ls to see the file name, then sudo unzip filename.zip. Type sudo rm-rf filename.zip. This is to remove the zip file because we no longer need it. Type sudo mv filename to rename the filename into Maven. Once you're done with the instance, don't forget to stop the instance because AWS will charge you. Congratulations on watching the full video. Remember, practice makes perfect. If you have any questions, please comment it in the comment section down below. I'll see you all in the next video as you continue your DevOps learning journey with DevOps Lewis.